what is this video about anyways? Well, here I got some different hooks. Got all kinds of different things here. But I'm going to install a swag hook. This was the old one, and I'm going to put one of these. And see, you've got this, you've got this. There's different things here, and I'll talk about that in a minute. If you want to watch how to install a swag hook on a stucco ceiling, no less, stick around, because is there a right and wrong way to install into the ceiling a swag hook? Of course, the answer is yes. Okay, it didn't take me long to figure it out. Of course, I didn't get lucky to have any wood behind there. I just took a 8-penny nail, a 16-penny nail, and ran it up there. No go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nail set. I got a crummy nail set. See how the end is all kind of mashed down. I'm just going to take that and start breaking out the stucco a little bit. And I've got a crummy screwdriver. I don't think I'm going to end up using that, but I just want to poke around the edges, because I've got to get a hole. I've got to make a hole that big. And see, I can make it oblong instead of exactly round. And then the trim of the swag hook is going to cover it up. Okay? And they have different size swag hooks. This was the jumbo size. They have one smaller like this, but then of course the wing, the toggle wing nut, bolt, whatever you want to call that, is going to be smaller. This was 1/4 inch. Okay? And that you would have to use a 3/16 or something, because you don't want the hole any bigger than your swags. That's going to cover it up, because that's going to cover your hole up down, you know, on the stucco or sheetrock. And you can do the same thing on sheetrock too, but you know, same type of thing. That's another reason why I decided to use the big swag, because I'm holding so much poundage up there. That thing is probably 40 pounds at least, maybe even heavier than that. But I feel confident if I get it up there and get these wings to pop out properly, then that is going to hold it, believe it or not, you know, above the stucco. Does that make sense? That's why I'm going to do that. See, I've only got about 3/4 or so up. Once I start poking the hole, then I'll take this up here, and I'll keep double checking and stuff. And once I get it big enough, I'll be able to determine about how thick that stucco is. So chip, chip, chip as you go. That's my next step.